monkeys in space. They try to be heroes, but they're easy to replace. They're not the brightest, they're not the best, they're not the coolest, they also have their breath. Rockin' monkeys, rockin' monkeys, rockin' monkeys. Give them a mission, they'll do their best. But best is relative, don't you forget. Rocket monkeys!
The monkeys!
Last week on Black Hole Hospital.
My baby! Where's my baby?
Forget it, Nurse Rhesus. He's not your baby. He's your father.
Daddy loves you.
I can already tell. This is gonna be a 3-tissue episode.
Wally, why do you watch this program if it makes you so sad?
Everybody needs a good cry now and then. Otherwise, you fill up with salty cry juice and your eyes explode.
Rocket Monkeys, good news here. I finished my new workout video. Jimsky's glutes to the max. Want to see it?
Shush, shush!
Wally is watching his favorite TV show, Black Hole Hospital.
I love that show. It always makes me cry. Look, I'm crying real Jimsky tears.
The results are in, Dr. Monkefeller. I'm afraid it's true. You have the fatal and fictitious disease known as MONKEY-ITIS.
If only I, Dr. Montague Monkefeller, recognized the symptoms of monkey-itis earlier.
Why didn't you?
And what are they?
There are 3. 1, acute sneezing. Achoo.
Those porta tubes are dusty.
What's the second symptom?
I'm glad you asked. The second symptom is intense forgetfulness.
Wait, I forgot to stop at the bathroom.
And the third symptom?
An embarrassing loss of monkey fur. Achoo.
Dargles! That came off way easier than usual.
Oh, why? Ow! What is this and why?
Gus has all 3 symptoms of monkey-itis. Okay, monkey up, Wally. Maybe monkey-itis isn't so bad.
Acting.
Poor brave hairless Gus. He must never know that he has monkey-itis. I must make his last poop-tossing moments as comfortable as possible. 'Cause that's what bros do.
Sometimes I cannot believe my monkeys. I tell you, I must go clear up this confusion.
What, and ruin this delicious plot twist? Not on your robot life.
If I know my monkeys, this will end with someone going to monkey prison. Always does.
Oh boy, that's amusing.
Here, bro. Let me fluff your pillows for you.
About time I got some respect around here. This is how you treat your older bro.
Shh, shh. It's sleepy time now.
No, I'm not sleepy, really. I'm just going to sit.
I said shh. So brave, so strong. You act like you're not even dying. It's okay. Wally's here. Wally's here.
When I'm rubbing the filth off myself, in the water, the filth has some problems clinging to my filthy body.
I made your favorite for my favorite bro. Banana cherry bomb surprise.
Ooh, cake.
Surprise! Oh, how I'll miss those cakey burns on your face.
Wally. 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 Wally! What are you doing?
I'm making soothing space whale sounds to help you sleep.
I was already sleeping!
Oh, guys, can we keep him?
Oh, but, oh.
Why is he doing this to me?
You tell him.
Wally believes you have monkey-itis. Personally, I do not see the humor. You my kidding. He's hilarious.
Me? Monkey-itis? Is it serious?
Hey, bro, look what I got for you. A forever bed. He's taking it very well.
How can I get monkey-itis? I don't feel sick. Blood pressure is fine. Maybe a little bit of a fever.
Poor Rocket Monkey Gus. Maybe I should tell him he's not really suffering from monkey-itis.
Oh, I forbid it. This is now a scientific study. The 5 stages of monkey grief. Galactically important, I think. Plus, seriously funny. Observe, stage number 1 is called No Way, Not Me.
This can't be happening. Not to me. I'm too pretty. I have a wonderful tail that many people like. I have a beautifully shaped buttocks that really delivers. What?
Stage number 2, Maddie Mad Monkey Mad.
Ah! Fury, anger, vicious, unhappiness.
Stage 3, trade your buddy.
I give you my monkey-itis and you give me anything less deathy.
No dice, buddy.
Stage 4, major bummer.
I'm a good monkey. I had a good life. Why is it being taken from me now? Just when I was starting to understand all of the nuances of existence. I just wanted to be one with bananas and live a life of happiness and peace. And maybe and sometimes just smell myself and love that too, but now it's all gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone. Gone.
And the last stage, probably the most important. Who cares?
I'm going out the way I came in. Naked and watching TV.
It's still true, Dr. Monkefeller. You've contracted monkey-itis.
Oh, Wally, were you watching Black Hole Hospital earlier?
I sure was, and I believed every word of it. Why do you ask?
It's monkey payback time!
Here's the banana shake you wanted, my fatally diseased broski.
Too lumpy. Get me a new one. Wait, let me spit some more in your face first. Wally, could you cut my toenails for me? I'm sick. Not like that. You know how I like it. Yes. Yes. Nibble it. Nibble them. Yes. Yes.
You know, I have to say, that montage was the best monkey payback I've ever seen.
Trust me, it'll get much worse when Wally finds out that Gus is only pretending to be sick.
Pretending to be sick? It's monkey payback time! Oh.
Wally, we're out of your candy again.
Great news, Gus! I found the cure for monkey-itis.
A cure? Well, that is great news.
Gotta warn ya, it's intense. But I'm willing to put you through a lot of pain because that's what bros do. Wally, Wally, hello, Wally, 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 evil monkey-itis spirits, big on! We'll begin the procedure with a full diagnostic workup. You may feel a slight burning sensation. Please stay perfectly still. Now we cleanse you of all the bad monkey-itis germs.
What is your problem, Bo?
Me? What about you, you faker? I know you don't have monkey-itis.
You think you know that you think you know, but you don't know for sure if you know that I know that if you know I have monkey-itis. Let's start over. I do have monkey-itis. See? Achoo! Achoo!
If you have it, then I have it too. Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo!
Achoo!
Are you following any of this?
Barely. But they both seem to believe they have the very deadly and contagious monkey-itis.
Attention! You are surrounded. An outbreak of monkey-itis has been detected. Everyone aboard this ship will be going into total quarantine.
I knew this would end with us all going to jail. Sad coming, really.
So, anyone up for a glutes to the max workout? Let's bump those glutes. And 3 more. And 2 more.
I'm sorry that I naturally blur reality and television together so that I pretended that you maybe had a non-existent disease, but it's really not my fault.
Yeah, and I guess I'm sorry I pretended to have monkey-itis.
Did someone say monkey-itis?